Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin with two essentials, a Google account and enough drive space because Colab saves notebooks there. First, open Drive, preferably in Chrome, so extensions behave predictably. Once Drive is open, click New, choose More, and pick Google Collaboratory. This creates a IPINB in your selected folder. Make sure to name the file immediately so it autosaves under that name. This gets your notebook linked to Drive, so you can access it from any device right away. Once the notebook exists, organize it. Move the IPINB into a project folder to keep versions tidy. Next, if you need GPUs or a specific runtime, choose Runtime, then change runtime type. Select GPU or TPU as required. To access Drive files from within Colab, mount Drive using the Python snippet from Google. Colab import Drive, mount /content/drive, follow the auth flow. This links your Drive file system to /content/drive, so code can read and write files directly, making data workflows seamless. To finish, set sharing and backup practices. Use Drive permissions to invite collaborators or export a copy via file, save a copy in Drive. Make local backups by downloading the IPINB. If you encounter problems mounting Drive or permissions errors, re-authenticate. Revoke Colab access in your Google account and mount again. That clears stale tokens. Finally, make sure runtime settings match your needs and that large files are stored.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.